What's up guys, Sean here from Srkcycles. You're about to watch one of our walk around videos. The reason we do walk around videos is to show you guys everything about the bike, all the flaws, all the features. No one else does them like this. This is what enables us to sell bikes all over the country. Enjoy, we'll see you guys later.
What is up everybody? It is Ben from Srkcycles.com and I have today a 2007 Yamaha Vstar 1300. Look at those ape hangers. This is another very clean bike. This thing is sweet looking. We just got this in and I'm gonna take you guys around the bike. Got these really nice leather bags on the side with the iron cross there. Coming around the back. This thing is very clean, very clean. Not a lot of scratches, not a lot of dents or dings. Got a little tiny scratch right there by my thumb. I don't know if you guys can see that. This thing is cool. Got the giant ape hangers on it. Got this nice 2-up seat with the backrest. Coming here across the side. Don't see a lot of stuff. There's some markings here on the pipes. I don't know what they are. It looks like dirt, but it doesn't come off. So I tried getting that off there. Couldn't get it off of there. Not really sure what it is. Doesn't really fit with the MO. This bike is very nice. Everything else shined up real nice. Gave it a good wipe down before. It's got the Mustang seat. This thing is comfy. I rode around on that a little bit. There's the passenger floorboards and the driver floorboards. Got the highway pegs. These things are always nice, stretching out those long rides, especially for these taller guys. I'm like 6'3", so I'm a big fan of highway pegs. And look at those apes. Those things are up there. I don't even know how high they are. Got the aftermarket mirrors on there, looks like. Nice headlight, nice clean front fender. Again, there's a few chips in there. See, one or two. Nothing big though, nothing like giant paint chips. Looks something like the clear coat. The forks look very clean. Even the rotors look clean. Even under here. Everything looks really nice in this bike, guys. This thing is not gonna last long. Don't miss the test drive video that Sean did. This thing is cool. It'll be nice to see it out on the road, get those highway pegs in use, get some cruising. There's a little bit of dirt there. That's just dirt. Not even a scratch. I think there might even be a windshield that goes on this bike. Let's see if I can dig that bad boy up. This thing's really, really clean, guys. It is not gonna last long. It's a 2007 Yamaha Vstar 1300 with these nice leather bags in the back. Again, the iron cross there on the side. There's the inside. Look at nice bags. It is belt driven. You can see the belt. Don't see any extra wear on it at all. Come up over here over top of this nice Mustang seat. Again, I don't see any marks on the tank or anything in there, guys. Turn this thing on. 20,327 miles. This guy rode this bike a little bit, but for a 2007, that's not too bad. Get it fired up. Put it in neutral, that's probably a good move. Thing goes right to life. This is a pretty looking bike, I like that bed. Didn't get those eights. See those turn signals work? Checking them. There's the back one. There's the front one. The other side, the front one's going. And there's the back one. Guys, don't miss out. This is a 2007 Yamaha Vstar 1300. This thing is not gonna last long. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to check out the test drive. See you guys later.